I'm 47 years old, I'm not tech savvy, and when I found this simple 2-hour online income system, it honestly blew my mind. Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Paps. I help everyday people, especially parents and people over 40, learn how to build a simple online income without confusions, without stress, and without needing tech skills. Let me be honest with you. For a long time, I thought making money online was only for young people. And understanding, computers, editing, websites, and all that technical stuff. That wasn't me. I'm 47 years old. I'm not a techie person. And because of that, I never took online business seriously. I was thought, maybe I'm too late. Maybe it's too complicated for me. And maybe I need years to learn all this crazy stuff. What blew my mind, it wasn't people that were making money online. I already knew that. But what blew my mind was discovering there was a simple system that showed me exactly what to do every single day. I didn't have to invent a product. I didn't have to become a tech expert. I didn't have to cold message people. I just had to follow a simple daily workflow. That changed everything for me. Because of that, for the first time, I feel like maybe this is actually possible for someone like me. Let's talk about something important. Most of us grew up with the same mentality, the same idea. You go to school, you study for years, you get a job, and you earn a salary every single month, right? That is a traditional way, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. But today, things are different. Now people are learning digital skills instead. Skills like digital marketing, social media marketing, creating a simple online content, understanding how online systems work. Instead of spending years in school and paying thousands of dollars in tuition, people are learning skills online at a fraction of the cost. And the best part is they can start applying what they learn immediately. Now let me show you what this actually looks like in real life. You only need 2 focus hours a day on income producing activities. Not 10 hours, not full time, just 2 hours, guys. Here's the simple routine. 30 minutes posting free content that attracts people who are already interested in making money online. 60 minutes creating 3 short videos using templates and step-by-step guidance. And 30 minutes replying to comments, emails, and messaging from people who want to learn more. That's it. Very simple. It's repeatable and easy to follow. The most important, that fits into a busy life. One thing I really love about this system is you don't have to chase people. You don't have to send hundreds of the messages. You don't have to ask your friends and family to buy anything from you. I never liked doing that. Here's what I learned. People buy from people they know. People buy from people they like. And most importantly, people buy from people they trust. That is why I use digital marketing and attraction marketing. Instead of chasing people, I created simple content just like this. People watch my videos, they get to know me, and if they like what I share, they keep watching. Over time, they start to trust me. And then, if they are ready, they reach out to me. That's it. That's much better and simple way to build a business. You're not chasing customers, you are attracting the right people. You are helping first. And when people trust you, everything becomes easier. That is one of the biggest reasons I love this system. It works for someone like me who is not tech savvy and that doesn't like chasing people all day. And before I finish this video, let me say this from the bottom of my heart. If a 47 years old dad like me who is not tech savvy can learn this, I truly believe you can too. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just simply start and see where it takes you. If you'd like to discover the exact 2-hour workflow I'm talking about, I put together a free step-by-step class for you. Just click the link in the description below and enter your email. Inside the class, you will see exactly how the system works from start to finish. You will learn how thousands of people are building simple online income using done-for-you digital system that runs 24/7, even while you sleep. You don't need to DM people, you don't need to chase friends and family, and you don't need to figure out everything alone. Everything is explained step by step so you can decide if this is right for you. No pressure, no obligation. Just watch, learn, and see what's possible. And remember, don't let anybody to tell you you are old. And don't let anyone to tell you it's too late. I'll see you in the next video.